In this work, we present the Multi-Vehicle Stereo Event Camera Dataset, or MVSEC for short. MVSEC is a new dataset containing events from a synchronized stereo event camera pair, along with grayscale images and ground truth depth maps and camera pose. Event cameras are a novel sensing modality that offer extremely low latency and high dynamic range. In this video, we see the events generated by one camera in red and blue, mounted to a motorcycle riding at night at speeds over 120 km per hour. Despite these challenging conditions, the structure of the scene is still clearly visible. For data collection, we have mounted two Davis 346B event cameras on top of a VI sensor for frame-based images and additional IMUs, along with a Velodyne lidar for ground truth depth estimates. Data was collected from a hexacopter, a car, a motorcycle, as well as handheld sequences in a variety of speeds and lighting conditions, varying from daytime to nighttime scenes. For ground truth generation, we use both indoor and outdoor motion capture for ground truth poses, as well as lidar slam for depth maps and pose when motion capture is unavailable. Here, we see some of the events generated from some sample sequences from the dataset. Positive and negative events are displayed in red and blue and are overlaid on top of the corresponding grayscale image. Finally, we would like to demonstrate some sample ground truth provided from the dataset. In this sequence, the sensors are mounted to a hexacopter and flown in an indoor motion capture arena. The left and right depth maps are shown on top in red, with brightness increasing with depth. Events are overlaid in blue. In the bottom, we show the pose of the left camera as well as the 3D map generated by lidar slam. In this sequence, the sensors are mounted on top of a car and driven around a residential neighborhood at night. Despite challenging illumination conditions, the cameras are still able to generate events over the entire scene due to the camera's high dynamic range.